So here's the box. I got mine in gold. Here it is. It is so pretty. I really do like it. I like the way it looks around the camera and then the frosted glass on the back. I didn't think I would like it this much. It's very pretty. I like the gold. I didn't get last year's. I got diagnosed with cancer, so I wasn't sure what was going to happen. It comes with the charging cable, the little Apple sticker, and some quick instructions. I really do like the way they package the phone now, and this one feels a lot bigger than my last one. I might do a what's on my phone video. I'm not sure yet. I just wanted to unbox it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video.